Hello, I'm Germán Luis Moncada, and I work with my partner Marc Antonio Núñez Patiño from Group 601. And today will talk about the final challenge as a chatbot thing. We made a chatbot that is according to our final challenge made by Germán Luis Moncada and Marc Antonio Núñez Patiño from Group 601, first semester of Tech Millennium. Now we'll show it. When we started, we had some music and the World Wellbeing logo, where we can see the cats with our type of resort, spring there. And we click start with this button. We have a registered place where we put our data, our names, age, the grade, and the gender. So we can save it, we can watch it there. We'll click continue. So here we have the first animation where Wally arrives in a rocket. So we can say a lot of things to him and he will answer. For example, we can say hello. Hello.
Hello.
And he will answer with this sprite. He will say hi. Different ways to answer him also. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi there.
And he will say a lot of answers. So he had some topics to talk about, for example, the diet, the managing of stress, the wellness ecosystem, and about sports. So we can talk with him of diets. Diet. 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 Diet.
The Mediterranean diet, it includes
Sorry for
plenty
that.
of vegetables, fruits, fish, poultry, whole grains, legumes, dairy products, and
he will
extra virgin
recommend
olive
you
oil.
a diet. And we
False.
have two games, the race cars, where we see that, we play it, and the memorandum. That's all. About the programming blocks we used a lot. First in the screen number one. To start with, as I already said, some arrangements are set in false, so we can see them. Okay, so we start right here. That makes when the screen initialize, some clocks will be set on, and arrangements will set to false or true depending on which button you will click. For example, if you click the first button of the start arrangement, it will change to the register arrangement and it will set true. And basically it's that with four different arrangements that acts like different screens, but just in one screen. Okay, right before this clock, I will create some variables and lists. Also here, this is the register button to store your data when you start. This mega big button makes just one thing. That when you speak to the microphone, you tell him any phrase of this, and he will answer you or change the sprite depending on the motion. For example, if you say hi, the chatbot will change to a sprite of the cat saying hi. Well, and these are a lot of phrases you can say. And if you talk to him about diets or managing stress, he will always have an answer. He will tell you some things like different type of diets, some hints he can say to you. Okay, um, the screen of the race. Well, sorry, in memorandum screen, we have a lot of blocks. How would this memorandum act? So basically, when you click any card of the memorandum, you click the button to set all the cards to randomly put different images of healthy diet, for example, broccoli, cabbage, carrot, and that stuff. So when you set this button to a lot of those cards, it will act just simply these two buttons acts the way to make them randomly and to make different lists to just put them there. Okay, so we use like six variables: the buttons, images, choosing button, and choosing button two. And these small blocks that obviously restart the game, deinitialize, and make some different process that we already make in these blocks. For example, the start and the proof process. This is copy a copy block for every single button that acts the way that if you click any button, you need to find the pair of the memorandum. For example, if you find a carrot, you need to click another card to find another carrot. So basically, it's this for every single button. I can say that this work with this with some clocks, variables, lists. And I think that was all. Well, so basically in the user manual, it's simple how the app works, and the app works by speaking to the chatbot. So you need to tell him something, some different questions we had. For example, you can say questions about hi, hello. Also talk about diets or sports, any way to manage your stress or any way to study better. So also if you click a button, you can ask for something. The button is the microphone thing. In general, you can ask the chatbot about the topics that I already told before. So about the scalability proposals, we have 2 points. And what will we improve? In this application, we will improve the games. We have some bugs, errors, glitches in the games that didn't allow us to make it very good. And what will we add in the second version? So in the different version, we will add more topics and maybe more games, more different interactions to make the thing an application we can use day to day. You know, right? Like I think you have the want to use it. And finally, we will talk about the results that we obtain. So we are something like we like the results, but not at all, because it worked correctly. The chatbot worked perfectly fine. All the questions we said, it answers with fluency and they make sense. What partially works, something like games. Our games didn't work as well as very good, but they may work a little, and that's all.